12 million APY. Yes, that's what Jade Protocol is offering. So in today's video, I will talk about what is Jade Protocol? How does it work and how can you potentially make money on Jade Protocol? Why is the price crashing? My view on this Olympus Dao fork. Like and subscribe for more hidden crypto gems. Hi, I'm Crypto A.V. Welcome to this video on Jade Protocol. If you're not aware yet, Jade Protocol is an Olympus Dao fork that is gamified. Jade is on the Binance Smart Chain. This means lower fees compared to Olympus Dao. The website is jadeprotocol.io. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. The main promise of Jade is higher APY, and they have a developer team from Google, a Harvard professor, and viral marketing experts. What I can say is that their marketing efforts have been successful. This DAO is very well known. John Ray, who is a community liaison for Jade Protocol, is an ex-Google employee. He's active on Twitter, but I did not find his LinkedIn to prove the fact that he actually is an ex-Google employee. Other than that, I couldn't find the remaining people in the team. If you know who's behind the team, let me know in the comments. So why I'm saying all this is because it's always good to know who's behind a project. If there is no face behind it, there is no reputation destroyed if the project is a scam. But if there's a lot of money to be made, you don't know what people can do. Let's go back to their website. 15% of treasury is used for buybacks and marketing. They claim to have zero pre-minting, zero venture capitalists, and zero insiders. They have a 10 minutes video explaining what Jade Protocol is, which is quite entertaining. I've got to give it to them. They are strong at marketing. Here's how Jade Protocol works. First, you can stake your Jade tokens to earn more Jade tokens. They promise a return of 20 to 200% per week, and what's great about Jade is that they auto-compound your money automatically. There's also bonding, of course. You can sell assets to Jade's treasury and receive Jade at a discounted price after a certain amount of time. Then when your Jade tokens are unlocked, you can claim them or stake if you would like to. They emphasize that selling Jade is bad, but obviously if you invest in Jade, you do whatever you want with your money. I just want to show a thing that's on their docs. They created kind of the 3-3-3 constitution with 3 simple steps. 1. Buy Jade. 2. Stake Jade. 3. Don't sell Jade. Which is very simple and easy to remember. I like it. The best part of it is that by following those rules, you'll be given distribution of a weekly prize ranging from $1 million to $10 million. The more Jade you stake, the more BUSD you receive. The Jade Protocol is punishing people that are selling Jade tokens. This sounds like dictatorship to me, but overall it's a good thing for their protocol. When I say dollars, I mean BUSD. The amount of BUSD you are airdropped is directly proportional to how much Jade you have staked. They are not doing an equal distribution because users would simply spin up a bunch of wallets and game the system. You get your rewards in BUSD and not in Jade. Here's why. This is intentional and to the benefit of the entire community. Airdropping millions of dollars worth of Jade would inflate the circulating supply and potentially cause a dump event. However, by airdropping BUSD, we add fresh cash into the ecosystem, which you can think of as a stimulus check. It's definitely a great move. They've got the Jade hand status. Here's what it is. Users who 3-3-3 the longest will receive the most preferential Jade hand status. With this status, your wallet will be whitelisted for the pre-sale of our upcoming billion-dollar idea, the Fair Launch Foundation. For those unaware, the Fair Launch Foundation is our endgame. We are against VC, rug pullers, and insiders. Crypto was supposed to break free from the shackles of hierarchical structures, yet it's still controlled by the elite. The Fair Launch Foundation will be a decentralized VC fund for the people, by the people. Nice. That's a strong and amazing message. The Fair Launch Foundation already exists, and they are the ones behind Jade Protocol and Smart Coin, but the pre-sale for the Fair Launch Foundation did not happen yet. Let's take a look at what the Fair Launch Foundation is. So Jade Protocol is made by the Fair Launch Foundation. The Fair Launch Foundation is a world-class collective of Web3 luminaries who aim to value engineer and democratize famous DeFi protocols. We expropriate financial services that typically grant early access or special treatment to venture capitalists, insiders, and paid influencers, and redistribute those protocols to the general public. We also analyze these services, smart contracts, and financial models in order to optimize the best possible return on investment for public investors. What they're doing is very great for the community, and they actually create forks of the best protocols. Here's why the team is anonymous. To ensure the safety of our team and the impartiality of our project, our team and advisor group have voted to remain anonymous to the public. However, our project founder has privately verified their full identity with RugDoc, who rated Smart Coin, our inaugural project, as low risk. So you can either trust them that they are truly a great team of ex-Google developers, or not invest in the protocol. That's your choice. This video is not financial advice. Like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and to be informed of the new crypto gems. So on the homepage, we can see that the next airdrop is in 9 hours at the time of recording this video. So they currently have an APY of more than 12 million%, which is absolutely crazy. This protocol is almost 1 month old and they still have a high APY. They've delivered in their promise of high APY. The current price of Jade dropped it's at $271. They have a market cap of $275 million with more than 1 million supply. The treasury has more than $96 million, and they got a huge total value locked of $149 million in staking. That's absolutely crazy. Now, if you want to buy Jade, you can click here. This will direct you to PancakeSwap. Make sure that you are on the Binance Smart Chain. The Jade token will be added automatically, and you just have to check the box. And click Import. Now you can swap, for example, BUSD for Jade. Let's go back to the website. Then here you can stake. You just have to connect your wallet and you will be able to stake Jade. If you have some Jade tokens in your wallet, you will be able to stake and click Approve to get started. Then the process is the same when you want to unstake. They also added the calculator, which I truly like because you can estimate your returns. Time Wonderland was the first to come up with this calculator, and they show you how many Lamborghinis you can get by staking or bonding. That's so cool in my opinion. You can add how many Jade tokens you want to stake, and you will be able to see the potential future value if you stake Jade. Then you have the airdrops section, where you receive different airdrops depending on different factors. You can read more on their Medium posts. Then there is the bond section. The best one from here is the BUSD bond, where you get 17% ROI by bonding. Click Bond, and here you have to approve Jade Protocol to use your BUSD for bonding. Then there is the Redeem section, where you can claim your rewards. So if you get Jade tokens for $254 instead of the market price of $295 when you bond. They have a vote section. You could also make a proposal, and if there is enough vote, it could get approved. Here is how you can do a proposal. Go to the New Proposal section. You could add your proposal and publish it. Then they have the Docs section, where you can learn everything on how the protocol works. Let's take a look. And here's what Jade Protocol is in more details. Jade Protocol is a decentralized reserve currency platform on Binance Smart Chain. Unlike DAI or USDC, which are pegged to the value of the US dollar, Jade's reserves are crypto assets held by the Jade Protocol treasury. And there are other important information that you can check. I've added the documentation link in the description below. Now I'm going to talk about the price of Jade crashing. Let's go to the charts. Right now, the price is at $295. It actually went up. As we can see, the price went way up on the launch day, then rapidly went down, then back up, down again, up again. It's truly a roller coaster. I am not a pro, I am only speculating, so don't take this as financial advice or anything. So here I think we are on a position where Jade price went down and we will see the price go up again to around $450 again. That's just me speculating, I don't know anything. They also have the Olympus Pro fork coming soon, which is Jade Pro, which I think might impact the price in a positive way. They're actually doing a fork of Olympus Pro, which is a bond marketplace for protocol and liquidity. Jade Pro is still under construction, but here's how Olympus Pro works and how Jade Pro will work too in the future since it's a fork. Bonds vest over a period of days set by the protocol, and you are free to claim any pro rata share when users purchase bonds through Olympus Pro. It allows protocols to accumulate liquidity to secure longevity and price stability for everyone involved. This makes bonds a mutually beneficial exchange. I personally like what Jade Protocol is doing and its vision of fair launch. I would not invest in this protocol because this is still a high-risk project in my opinion, but you do whatever you want with your money. My only advice is that you invest in this protocol only money that you can lose. Comment below if you're invested in this protocol and if you like it. Subscribe and like the video to support my channel. Thank you so much. You can also find me on Twitter at Colin0x for more hidden crypto gems. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.